Today I will show you how to make a Heron's fountain. First, get 2 bottle caps and glue them together. Next, get a drill bit that's a little bigger than the diameter of your drinking straw and drill 2 holes side by side in the double bottle cap. Next, drill a hole that's a little smaller than your another bottle cap in the middle of the back of one of the bottles. Next, get 2 drinking straws. Cut off the flexible end if you have one. Put a slit in one of them, a small one, and slide the other straw inside it and seal them together to join it. You need to do this so that from one we'll join 2 bottles, so it should be at the end. One of the straws should be the length of 2 bottles and another should be a length of 1 bottle. Thread both of them through the straw. Then reinforce them with more glue at the bottom. Then thread another bottle on top, the one with the hole. Get a flexi and at the end you will put it on top of the spout. Get a bottle cap, drill 2 holes exactly like the double bottle cap and put it on top. Then thread a straw through that bottle cap and then cut out a funnel, screw it on, and fountain is complete.